If the moon were to disappear, the impact on Earth and its inhabitants would be profound, affecting various aspects of the environment, biological systems, and human activities. Here's a detailed look at the potential consequences: environmental impact, tidal changes, current situation. The moon's gravity causes significant tidal forces, creating high and low tides. Without the moon, tides would be much weaker, influenced mainly by the sun. This would lead to smaller tidal ranges, affecting marine ecosystems. Coastal areas that depend on tidal flooding for nutrient distribution and habitat maintenance would be disrupted, potentially harming species that rely on these conditions. Axial stability, current situation. The moon's gravitational influence helps stabilize Earth's axial tilt, which is about 23.5 degrees. Without the moon, the Earth's axial tilt could become more variable over time, leading to drastic changes in climate and seasons. For example, a more pronounced tilt could result in hotter summers and colder winters, while a lesser tilt might produce milder but less distinct seasons. These changes could impact global weather patterns, agriculture, and ecosystems. Biological impact, disrupted biological rhythms, current situation. Many species have life cycles and behaviors that are synchronized with the lunar cycle, including reproductive and feeding patterns. Without the moon, the disappearance of the moon would disrupt these biological rhythms. Marine species that spawn according to the lunar cycle, for example, might experience reduced reproductive success. Nocturnal animals that rely on moonlight for navigation and hunting would face challenges adapting to the darker nights. Ecosystem health. Coastal ecosystems such as mangroves, salt marshes, and tidal flats would be affected by the loss of regular tidal patterns. These ecosystems provide critical services, including habitat for wildlife, storm surge protection, and water filtration. Human impact, cultural and psychological effects. Current situation. The moon has significant cultural, religious, and psychological importance in human societies. Without the moon, the sudden loss of the moon could have a profound psychological impact on people. Cultural practices and traditions tied to the lunar cycle, such as lunar calendars, festivals, and rituals, would be disrupted. The absence of the moon might lead to a sense of loss or disorientation for many. Navigation and timekeeping. Historically, the moon has been used for navigation and timekeeping. Its disappearance would require adaptations in these areas, though modern technology could mitigate some of these challenges. Long-term geological and orbital effects. Orbital dynamics. Current situation. The Earth-Moon system has a specific gravitational interaction that affects the orbits of both bodies. Without the moon, Earth's orbit around the Sun could change slightly due to the redistribution of mass and the loss of the moon's gravitational influence. These changes might be minor but could affect the length of days and nights over very long timescales. Scientific and exploratory impact. Loss of a research platform. The moon serves as a valuable platform for scientific research, including studies on planetary formation and evolution. Without the moon, future scientific and exploratory missions that plan to use the moon as a base for further space exploration, including missions to Mars, would lose a crucial stepping stone. In summary, the sudden disappearance of the moon would lead to significant and potentially disruptive changes across various domains, including environmental stability, biological systems, human culture, and scientific research. While not immediately catastrophic, these changes would profoundly alter life on Earth over time. Please like and subscribe for more videos.